so sad about this. Hey y'all, welcome to this video. It's actually like a very sad one for me. I was so sad to take these down, and I know y'all are gonna hate me because I have to take them down so soon, but it was all my fault, like due to poor planning. I had to do some content, so I had to take them down, and I really should have planned better and probably did the content before I put these in, but I didn't know I was gonna love them so much, and I didn't know they were gonna look so good. And yeah, so this is what it's come to. I had to take them down. I probably had them for like 2-3 weeks, but they still look really good. Like, look at them, like they were finally starting to like get to that like good old stage. So yeah, I'm definitely probably going to be doing these. Well, I'm definitely going to be doing these later on in the year again. I just really like them so much. Maybe like a little bit longer, like a longer like bob lob. But anyways, you're gonna need some scissors, you're gonna need a rat tail comb, and yeah, I'm just gonna show y'all how I was able to get these out of my head without cutting out any of my hair. So I had some theories on how I could do this because my hair is throughout the entire lock, and so my first theory was to just put a comb through it and then like pull it out, because I'm like, oh, it should just like come out very easily, but that was not the case. It just like wasn't. My second method was to like go to the top, so the bottom wasn't working, go to the top and like try and like pull it and separate it from the braid, and at this point I was getting a little bit closer, but it wasn't it. Like, I wasn't sure like if I should like pulling it at the top, I don't know, so that wasn't it either. So finally, I pretty much figured it out. I needed to squeeze my finger in between my braid and the crocheted hair and just snip it at the top where it was, to release it from going through my braid, and I would be able to just pull all of the hair off. I didn't actually look up any videos on how to take faux locks down. I probably should have, and I probably would have came across something like this, but I didn't think to. So after this, once you like snip all of the hair that's connecting through your braid, it just slides off real easy, and it was as simple as that. The process went by extremely fast. Like, this is the fastest takedown of any protective style that I've done, like in terms of like braids and stuff like that. I did fool myself a little bit, so don't be fooled. Taking the locks down, it did take an hour and a half, but taking the braids down was a different story, especially since I did them so small on my head. They didn't feel that small when I put them in, but they were small taking them out, and taking the braids out did take about a few hours, probably another 2-3 hours, I don't know. I also got some help from my mom, so I don't know how long it took. But yeah, here is just some close-up in real time. I had to unravel it, so it's easier if you unravel it in the opposite direction it was twisted to loosen up the hair. Put your finger through it and separate your braid from the fake hair and cut the fake hair. Do not cut your real hair, because it would just be such a shame. I was thinking this the whole time. It would be such a shame if I cut my braid off, and it wouldn't even be at the end, it would be at the root. So I was being so careful, because I mean, like, that would just be a tragedy. I mean, like, hair grows back, but like, come on, like just one patch of like short hair. I've been there, done that. I don't want that again. So unravel it just a little bit, enough to loosen up the hair. Put your finger through it and then cut it so it releases it, and you can just pull it right off. It's easy as pie. So as for some people asking like, how did they not unravel, I haven't gotten to like all the comments, but how did they not unravel? And the hair is so curly, it wants the knot up. Like, that's just its dream. That's what it set out to do, is just to knot up, so it easily just attaches to itself, and they don't unravel. Like, none of them unraveled on me. In fact, when I took them off, they stayed in that same lock form. Like, I had a whole bunch of locks that I could like reuse or something, but so they don't unravel at all. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you, 'cause I got a rule. I hold on to my heart, share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart, give it up for nobody.
out on you, my baby. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me later. Promise it's for the better. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. Cause I got a rule. I hold on to my heart. Share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart. Give it up for nobody. I just keep it to myself. I've been too hurt before. I've been through hell and more. So hold on to my, now hold on to my heart. I've been alone before. This way I won't get bored. So hold on to my, yeah, hold on to my heart.
And that's it. It was a very fast process, like I said. From here you can, you know, figure out what you're going to do next. I was not about to take the braids down immediately, but I started this process at 8:08 and finished at 9:36. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.